Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete account on Pinterest. So for you to be able to delete your account on Pinterest, this is how you can get it done. First off, you open your Pinterest app on your phone. Once you open it, then you should have something like this on your main screen. Then you tap at this icon, which is the profile icon. You tap on it, then you tap on this option, which is account management. You tap on it, then from there you can click on delete your account, delete your data and account. So once you delete your data and account, then your account will be permanently deleted from your phone. So right now, deleting your account is permanent and means you won't be able to get your PIN or balls back. All your Pinterest account data will be deleted as well. So if you want to perform this action, you have to think about it twice. So I'm just gonna click on continue. Okay, good. Then you check all this box right here, which is I'm getting too many mails. Actually, they actually expect you to provide your reasons why you want to delete your account. So you can just check any of these mails. This could be I'm getting some morning emails, or probably your own reason for leaving might be because you accidentally made another account, or probably you want a business account or some other things like that. Once you actually find out reasons why you want to leave, then you click on it, then you send mails, then after that you follow the procedures, and within a few minutes your account will definitely be deleted from Pinterest account. And that's how to delete account on Pinterest. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.